Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave and I am back with another video. And y'all, excuse my background and stuff like that. I'm in the process of moving, so it's been a little bit chaotic. That's why I haven't been uploading as much, but be ready for like new content when I do move. And in today's video, you guys, I did an AliExpress haul. I haven't done an Ali haul in a little while, but this one is really exciting because it's all about the bling. And I split this up into two. So this is part one. This first part is gonna be mainly, I'm sorry, I'm messing up my words, but it's mainly gonna be bling in this one, like the bling diamonds. I don't know if you want to call them crystals, gems. And then the next one is gonna be a designer nail bling haul. So stay tuned for that because I'm gonna give y'all everything, where I got them from and all. You just have to follow a few requirements because I can't really put it on here, I think, but I'm gonna figure that out before I upload. I'm gonna be uploading that on Saturday and today's Friday, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, y'all, so y'all know the drill. I'm gonna put myself up in the corner and then we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the thing. All right, so I got my gloves on, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Hey, so I have these silver, what are these called? Is it bling? Is it nail charms? Are they diamonds? I don't know. But I'm gonna just call them bling because we know they're not real diamonds or whatever, or crystals. Y'all, look how pretty this silver is. Like, this is like the crystal clear version compared to like the AB. So stinking cute. And I recorded it with my phone so you guys can see how it looks with flash. When I tell you blinking and shining, like, let's get into it. So that is how those look. I absolutely love those. Can't wait to do like a nice classic set with these. And the next thing are these gold or champagne colored vibes, and I absolutely love these, y'all. They're so pretty. It just, y'all, without flash it looks amazing, and with the flash with my phone, look at that. When you have these on the nails, it's giving money. Like, what happened? Like, it's money. Whether you do your own nails at home or if you do nails, if you have these in your salon and you have them to offer, like, the girls are gonna pick it because who doesn't want to look like that? So the next thing are these super cute pink. Oh my god, y'all, I love this pink. Like, it's so pretty, so girly. It's my favorite one out of the bunch. Well, second favorite. I got more to show y'all, but y'all, look at how it looks with the flash. I cannot wait to do, I'm thinking of doing like a Barbie set with these or just a kawaii type of vibe because I love pink and this pink is fire. The next one is like this super light opal pink type of vibe, which I absolutely love. It's so beautiful. I feel like it has like that blue hue in there along with the pink, so it makes it really fun. And you see little gold highlights in there, super duper gorgeous. And then when you put the flash onto it, it kind of gives like a aqua vibe or like a watered effect. It's so cute. Can't wait to use these. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with these yet. Next are these super pretty blue ones, like a baby blue type of vibe. I did a set with these. I'm gonna probably just put it at the bottom so you guys can see like what it was given, because I'm uploading that tutorial. I might do that tutorial on Sunday, so you guys might get 3 videos back to back so you guys can see it. But this is just the small collection of the charms, and I'm showing you guys the different size variations. So the white, champagne, and pink are smaller compared to the blue and the opal pink. So they came in different size packaging. I didn't know, I wasn't reading when I ordered it, but I'll link everything down below so you guys can pick. And they have a wide variety of different colors. Next are these super pretty butterflies, y'all. I think these are so pretty. Can't wait to use them for the springtime. Y'all, the sets are gonna be setting, okay? So this is how they look with the flash with my regular, with my phone. And y'all, tell me these are not gonna go off. Like, love, love, love these. Gotta get more butterflies because I love these type of butterflies. Next are these pink ones, and y'all, the only complaint is that it's not flat back, but acrylic, ain't nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag or put up a picture of the set that I did with these, because they're so pretty, like so girly, super expensive looking. Like if you can't afford like the blue streak and those higher end, you guys can definitely go purchase from Ali, because even though Ali got a little bit pricey, it's still way cheaper than what everybody else is selling. So these are them. Oh my god, this is a silver one, and this is it with the flash. I kind of dim the lights so you guys can see it. So pretty. It kind of looks like All About the Benjamin when Ice Cube like poured out the diamonds. If you know, you know. But the next one are these moonlight ones. Y'all, these are so pretty too. They kind of give AB, but they're not. You guys are gonna see the AB. The AB are hitting, but these are not AB. These are more moonlight because I have some moonlight charms. So this is how they look in the low light, also with flash. And I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, move the camera around so y'all can see the bling. But yeah. And next is like my favorite, y'all. The AB looks so good in these nail crystals or bling. Y'all, tell me that does not look good. They're blinking, y'all. Like, they're almost blinding me. Like, oh, look at that with the flash. Tell me that does not go off, y'all. I cannot wait to use these ABs. Like, it has to be a set that's so raw, but y'all, that is it. And then the next one are these red ones. Now the red don't shine like crazy on the camera, but they look really high quality in person. I got the red kind of late in the game. I was supposed to do like a Valentine's type of set with it, but I'm just gonna keep the red. You never know if I'm gonna end up using it, but I know Christmas and stuff is coming up, so I probably would use it at that time. And then next are these cute little bows, y'all. I got these from Ali as well. It came with like a 3-pack of different colors, so I decided to just purchase the 3 colors. So I got pink because we all know pink is universal. So I got the light pink. I got this hot pink because you can never go wrong with like a pink, period. All right, now I also got white because I feel like you can't really go wrong with having like, you know, white charms and stuff like that. You never know when you're gonna use them, and people do like French and stuff like that a lot. So I know I was gonna put these into use, and they're so cute and girly and fun. So the next thing that I got are these duck nail tips, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys how they look. I purchased these. Honestly, I thought they were extra long duck nail tips, but then when I opened up the package, I was like, dang, these are not extra long. They're long, but they're not extra long, but I'm still gonna put them to use. You feel me? Because I've been doing like a little duck nail hack, so I needed some duck nail tips, so I decided to purchase those. And that concludes my haul. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Everything is going to be in the description down below. It may not be there right now, but it's going to be there like in 24 hours. And remember, y'all, tomorrow is the designer haul. So I'm talking about Louis, Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Chanel. Like, I'm gonna show you guys like all of the designer charms that I purchased. I've spent like something on them, probably 110, 120. I don't know. I'm gonna go look at my receipt to see how much I paid. But y'all, I got some really cute designer charms from Ali, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get them. I'm also gonna show you guys how everything looks in the total that I paid for them. But the only thing is, and pay attention, y'all, if you want to know where to get designer charms for affordable, I'm gonna show you guys how to get them, because the girls don't be putting y'all on. I'm gonna show you guys how to get them, and I'm also gonna show you guys where I purchased them where I purchased them from. But in order for me to do that, I don't think that I can put it on you know, on here. So I'm thinking it's gonna be simple. A lot of people will sell y'all this information. I'm being a real one because it's not something that you're gonna see just out in the open on AliExpress, because of the fact that they're gonna be like luxury. They kind of have to filter it so that I guess they're not, you know, sued. I don't know, but I'm gonna tell y'all how to get them. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for tomorrow, because that's when the designer charms come into play. I'm talking about the Chanel nail charms, like all the ones that you see on like on Instagram and stuff like that. If you want them, come and get them. Anyways, y'all, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.